Like my truck. I went in there, put it together. Then about a week later, the fucking injection went out.
You got to go back in there again.
I didn't send it to board. That thing popped. Take many hours to pop. Then when you haven't worked on one, then it takes longer because now you got to figure out what to take loose.
Yeah, but while you working on the truck, you supposed to keep working on something before.
And it's unfortunate. Man, all the time you think about this.
Well, it depends on oh shit, he almost hit them trees over there. Yeah, he damn near hit them trees over there. You better get out. You better get out, yeah.